What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, 2016 Golf R Turbo. Nice VW. So he said he doesn't see a lot of these online with what we just did to it, so we did a video for you guys. Factory converter there, then 2.5-inch pipe, then we did a resonator delete, as you guys can see right there, and then left the stock muffler for now. He might get it changed out later on, but he just wanted a little bit of a tone, so we took the resonator out for him. He just wanted a little bit, just be able to hear the turbo a little bit more. It's got quad tips out the back, but you can see the muffler, it's huge on this thing. So what you have to do is cut it and put a Y pipe and run new tips to get it done. And that was the resonator that was on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2016 VW Type R Golf 2.0 Turbo. So he did a resonator delete earlier in the year. We had it posted, and he's like, I knew he was gonna come back. And he goes, yeah, I'm definitely gonna come back. And so we did something a little different on it for him. We'll show you guys in a second. Factory converter there. Usually was a resonator there, so we put a vibrant in its place. Part number 1794, there'll be a link in the description. There it is right there, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then continued his original 3-inch pipe. And then we cut the muffler off, as you guys can see there and there. But these come with the valves on them. So what we do is we just weld them to the side, right there and right there. So they open and close and think like nothing's going on, like they're functioning normally, but they're not doing anything. So muffler shops, pay attention. That's what you guys do with the valves if you need to get them deleted. That's how you valve delete. On the Challengers, all that, the same way. It keeps the pressure, everything the same, but it just tricks the car to thinking that the valves are still there. Then we did a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see there, and put quad tips out the back, resonated quad tips to complete the look. Really nice. They're Jane Insanity. There'll be a link in the description for them. They're staggered tips. Look at that. Really nice, really clean out the back. And there's the factory muffler, this huge, humongous muffler that took all the sound away. We took it out, it comes center in, and then dual outlet, dual tips, and that's where we cut the clamps there, and there's the stock tips out the back. So anytime you do a muffler delete on this, you have to change the tips to make it look like that. Anyways, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Didn't do much, but better than nothing. Again, not bad. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. '89, so about 90. Go ahead and back it up. VW Type R Golf. Trying to get this video in before it rains, guys. Again. That looks good. Sounds good. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. VW Type R Golf R. Now you can hear it. You gotta do the tune next, bro, so I can bark. Again. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 102. That's it. Go ahead and back it out.
That's way down mine.
I think Cobb has a plug and play.
I'm not getting Cobb anymore.
You gotta do. feel good on it too. They just fit it perfectly. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Come on, Will, you gotta grow up more so you can start working here.